ka kenhun ke rangila kai jong kari Maldives ke la longi balapan kre bani kon persya ya kari India ha ke jingila kai parlok ni ka FIFA International Friendly kaban salong ha ka khat khandai kare kulaber arhajar arpusan ha Jawa Halal Nehru Stadium Shillong abai kren bat kinong thok kubor u coach jong ka Maldives u Ali Zuzain ulapan pau ba udon ke jingkmi lanti ba ka kenhun kanela kai bha ha ga ni ke jingge khun namar kilalong kibalapan kre nak benta kani ulapan pa bakum ka kanhun kamdon ya kano ke jing e banyale ha kani kanong ba Shillong bat kum ka kanhun ka shania hau kum coach ban peniat ya kani ka jing le kai kani ka kanhun kalong ka bakong san bha ya ka kanhun jong u haswa bakani kon persya ya ka Philippines ha ka arpsan trek ulber
Match against Philippines. We are playing against Philippines on 25th, and before that, it's a preparation match for us. But it's an important match for us too, because in this region, India and Maldives are the strongest sides at the moment. So it will be. I hope it will be a good match.
With me, it will be a good fight for both of them. We are prepared for our qualification. It's a good match.
We'll take questions from the media if we can see.
Because the country don't participate in national, the players, the team don't play national team as a national too much frequently. So how tough for you to win this team?
No, it's not a.
It's all answer.
It's not a tough challenge for me because I have been with these players for a long time. So I know them very well and I know their strength and their weakness and how to work on them. So even the players, they will have confidence on me. They have been with me for a long time. So it's not a big problem that we don't have league at the moment in Maldives and we didn't play so much internationals in these 2 years. It's not a problem. We are very much prepared for the match.
Supporting match because in India we quite more important to cricket.
Actually, Maldives is a football country. Each and every island has a pitch, almost pitches like this turf pitch over here. So it's a football country, and even from the government and all supports football. So for us, this match is important for the people of Maldives, and we will give our best for this match. No problem playing here. The problem is traveling difficulties. This was the problem. It takes 2 days almost from Maldives to here. So this was the problem for us. It's not playing in Shillong. It's not a problem for us. We are comfortable with it.
And all
are done, and this is a big step before that. So if this goes well, we will have very much confidence on Philippines match.
Well,
Go to the grass field yet, but you have good infrastructure surrounding here with a turf pitch and a stadium over here. So it's nice to see. I don't know the condition of the grass pitch over here yet.
We'll take the next.
Yeah, this shows how serious India is because Sunil was retired sometime before and he has called again to the national team. So it means India is very serious about this game, and so we are very serious about this. Every international counts, so we will be taking very seriously.
Any question for the player?
One of the toughest team in Asia, South Asia. It will be a good match for the Indian ones.
are you confident of winning?
No, we'll try our best.
Next question.
Actually, we will decide that after the last training, but there's no hidden things. We played against Bangladesh last month. There will be very few changes from that team, and that's it.
Is it the same team?
Yeah, almost same. And this team almost together for the last 4 or 5 years together. very few changes in the team.
Next question.
Yeah, when we came, we knew that it's cold and even it will be windy, and most of our players has played a lot of internationals in lot of venues, so they will have this experience and they will handle it. No problem.
Next question.